Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to unbox and review dehumidifier which I brought from amazon.com. Link I will add into the description for you guys to purchase, and let's get started. So it came in a very good package from manufacturer, so it looked nice when you unbox it. So reason I brought because I have some moisture in my bathroom when I take the shower, so that is what I got it from the Amazon. So this is the warranty card included in that package, and it has a manual, operating manual. Usually it is mentioned that it can be effective in a small bathroom or a small room, so I don't know about how it be effective. That's what I am about to review it, and let's see how it going to work. Look and feel of the product is very nice. It has a white ambient look, so it is a premium feeling I am getting from this product. Definitely a good one. So this is the back of the dehumidifier. It has a drain pipe which is used to drain your water if at all it is accumulated on the drain trap. So this is the outlet where you can get the pipe, drain pipe. Now let's get plugged into the system, power system. Okay, I can see it is giving me the reading for the moisture, currently at 39. So on the top it has a panel which basically gives you the daylight, timer, power light and on off switch, which is having 4, 8 hour and 12 hour timer. This is pretty good. It has a very low noise level, so not so bad. Now I am putting this into the practice. So day 1, let's see how much moisture is being accumulated in the moisture trap. So I can see very less amount of water being accumulated. So one of the reason I thought, because my bathroom has a moisture level below 40, that is what the reason it is not pulling the moisture. So that might be the reason. So I am in the day 2 now. Let's see if there is any moisture on that tray, which I think it is not. So I think again might be the reason the moisture level in my bathroom is less, so it won't be able to pull that one. But anyway, I like the product. So thanks for watching. See you. Take care.